I was on my way to making a Hopping John salad yesterday, so I started my black eyed peas and I followed the directions on the package and they told me to soak them. And I did, but not as long as they said because I have an experience with black eyed peas and a dried black eyed peas in a package. They tend to just overcook on you. Anyway, I know these don't look that impressive now, and we ate the best ones last night. But I overcooked my black eyed peas, and my daughter made these patties. And I'm going to tell you, they're delicious. They taste like hamburger patties. You could totally use these and make them a vegetarian burger. Peace, guys.